What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Bonk, which has pumped up over 15% in the last 24 hours, currently valued at this value here. As you guys can see, it did pump up higher than where it is at the moment, about 30% earlier on today, but has taken a slight dip in value over the last couple of hours. So we're going to be looking at what is next for Bonk. There's a rumor saying that Coinbase may list Bonk as well. If they do, then yes, it is going to be a huge news for Bonk itself and potentially going to affect the crypto in a positive way. So well, we're going to be going through that and also looking at its predictions going into 2024. What can we expect? How high can it go? Looking at, is it worth buying it right now? Is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, should you sell it or should you simply hold on to it? So we are going to cover both short-term and long-term investors and both buyers and sellers point of view. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So zooming into the daily chart, we can see the purple line here at the top, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Bonk is in purple. However, Bonk is actually trading at a much higher value here in red, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction. That is caused by the drop that's taken place over the last hour, 2 hours. As you guys can see, it's been hitting red candles. However, over the next 12 to 14 hours, so towards early morning tomorrow to tomorrow midday, I am expecting Bonk to have been gone for an increase in value, trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment, potentially heading above this price range here, 0.00001 cent. Over that target is where I'm expecting Bonk to be trading at by midday tomorrow. But again, do expect red candles in between as well, up and down, but the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we're looking a little bit more skeptical here. Clearly the blue line is looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So according to the graph, an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected. However, I am expecting once again an overall increase in value from Bonk from where it is at the moment, meaning it should be hitting more green days over the coming days. Yes, we may get the odd red day in between, but once again the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side, meaning an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting from Bonk over the next week or so. So by mid to end of next week, it should essentially be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? As you guys can see, Bonk has gained an insane amount of value since, let's have a look here, early November, sorry, not early November, mid-October, all up until now, it has gained an insane amount of value, and it's still going strong, guys. It's still pumping, and it is at its highest point that it's ever been at, with major pumps here in mid-November, early November, and early December as well, which is right now. So overall it has gone up. Let's have a look here. Over the last year, it's gone up over 8,400% up, guys. Most of it coming from the last 5 to 6 weeks. It's gone at least about let's say about 5,000-6,000% up, which means if you guys did invest into it a year ago, you're probably on a major profit right now. So Expectations for the next 6 to 8 weeks, mid to late January 2024, is an overall drop in value from Bonk. Only reason I say that is because the crypto right now is overvalued and there is a price correction that should be coming soon, potentially towards the end of the year, early next year. It should go for a price correction, which means it's gonna, I wouldn't call it a crash, but slowly start to drop back like that in value. So overall, a major drop is what I'm expecting from Bonk, even though at the moment it is still pumping and it's likely to pump up higher than where it is at the moment over the coming days and potentially over the next 2 to 3 weeks. After that, I'm expecting it to slowly drop back down in value. But again, guys, I will keep you guys updated on a regular basis on Bonk because that's what you guys have asked for, and I have been doing updates on Bonk and I will be doing them as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are literally trading in the top tier level here. In the top zone, we've broken out each resistance target since mid-November. So in the last 4 weeks we have broken out from every single zone, and this color coordination will make it much more clearer. So by early next year, I'm essentially expecting the crypto to have dropped back down into the red zone. So mid red zone is where I'm expecting it to be trading at by early next year. So hopefully that gives you guys a clear indication on what I mean by a drop. Doesn't mean it's going to be somewhere around here or here. All the way down in the red zone is where I'm expecting it to drop down to by Q1 of 2024. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone up by 50% in the last 24 hours, making it $163 million in trading, as it is getting a lot of attention right now from both buyers and sellers' point of view. So will Bonk enter Coinbase? According to cited an advisor and former head of business development at Bitcoin ATM operator CoinFlip, Coinbase may soon list Bonk due to some on-chain actions revealed by the blockchain explorer Solana FM. And we've got someone cited that have tweeted this earlier on as well. So yeah, that is the ongoing news around this crypto as to why it does have the potential to get listed on Coinbase, which means it could go for another pump up as well. But yeah, let me know your takes, your predictions on this crypto. What is the highest figure this crypto can hit in 2024? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.